Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices. When you're ready, install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer and then launch it. Following that, tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by clicking OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of Fold 6. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect by sharing a link, click on this button and sign in to use it. If you don't want to do that, you can use those two connection ways without signing in. In order to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then connect by hitting Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Folds camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!